Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Developers for You. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in SQL, the select statement. And the select statement is used to fetch data or retrieve data from its database. Okay, so it is one of the most commonly used commands in SQL, and understanding it clearly will help you in almost every database query so you will ever write. So let's get started. Before we start writing queries, let's make sure we are connected to a database. Okay, here I am using a sample database called a school. Okay, so to use the database we will write use school. Okay, so this tells that SQL that we want to work inside the school's database. Okay, so inside the database, let's say we have a table named students with the following columns. That means student ID and its name and its age and grade and city. Okay, now let's start using the select statement to view and filter data from this table. So okay, so next, the select statement is used to display data stored in a table. Here is the most basic form: select star from students. Okay, that is, we are using it as a defaultly we will be using that. Okay, this means select all columns from the students table. The asterisk symbol means all columns, so this comments will show every column and every record in the table. If you only want to see the specific columns, you mention like them this. So select or create table student ID in primary key, name varchar 50 and age is an integer. Ages almost will be in numbers, that so that it will be always like integer. So city means varchar, that shows it can be it can be either character or as well as number. Okay, grade also we can take it as character. Okay, so select what chooses columns you want, and from tells which the data you want from. Okay, then part 3, using the where clause. So now if you don't want to all the rows but you want only the specific ones, that's where the where clause comes in. It helps us to filter data based on a conditions. Okay, so select star from students where city is equal to Coimbatore. So this will show only the students who live in Coimbatore, right? So you can also use the comparison operators like equal to, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or not equal to. Let's see another example. Okay, so select name age from students where age is greater than 18. That means it shows that names and ages of students who are older than 18, right? So you can also combine multiple conditions using and, correct, or or and or. Okay, so select star from students where age is greater than 18 and city is equal to Coimbatore, or so this will show only students are above 18 and lives in Coimbatore, right? And also let's imagine we are working in a school database. Okay, so that let's and we want to see all the students who are scored above 90 marks, or let us assume that it is on the alphabetical order like A, B, C, D. Okay, or query would be select name grade from students where grade is greater than B or less than B. Okay, so we can easily see how we can use select with the where to get extract data we need. So this is the power of SQL. So it helps you filter and find data in seconds. So that is what for today's video. I hope this helped you understand how to use the select statement in SQL. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more SQL and data tutorials. See you in the next video where we will explore order by, distinct and limit in SQL. Thanks for watching. Thank you.